ADH Group. Building dreams since 2004.
Replacing a roof is not just about new shingles. It's about installing a complete roofing system that will protect your most valued asset for years to come. But before you install the roof components, you'll need to remove all of the old roofing, evaluate the roof deck for damage, and make any necessary repairs. Then you'll need to install a leak barrier, which is a self-adhering waterproof membrane that helps protect the most vulnerable areas of the roof. Next is roof deck protection, which covers and helps protect against wind-driven rain that can blow underneath your shingles. Then, starter strip shingles are installed at the eaves of your roof to help prevent your shingles from blowing off in high winds. Now, you're ready to install quality asphalt shingles, which will not only help to protect your home, but also beautify it for years to come. They're available in a wide array of colors to complement the taste of virtually any homeowner. Next is a ridge vent, which is installed at the ridge and works with eave vents to help remove damaging heat and moisture from your attic. Finally, ridge cap shingles are installed on the hip and ridge areas of your home to help to protect against leaks and high winds at these vulnerable areas. All these components are part of the GAF Lifetime Roofing System. GAF is North America's largest roofing manufacturer and has been in the business for over 125 years.
ADH Group. Building dreams since 2004.